When did you first learn about Vietnam?
I first heard about Vietnam through people who had traveled there before. They told me about breathtaking landscapes, a rich and ancient culture, and some of the kindest people they had ever met. Every story they shared made me even more curious about this country. What about you?
Asterisk. I had watched so many films and read so much about Vietnam. Tea made me want more than just to see Vietnam through a screen. I wanted to stand there myself and experience it with my own eyes. Wishing you a wonderful holiday in Vietnam. Goodbye.
And so, our journey began. 5 friends from 4 different countries, carrying different languages and different stories, yet sharing the same excitement for Vietnam. The journey was not only about beautiful roads and stunning views. There were moments when we had to cross steep mountains, pass through deep valleys, and even deal with a few unexpected problems along the way. But perhaps those very moments made the trip even more unforgettable. And when we finally stood before landscapes that looked like pieces of paradise, we realized that every bit of exhaustion had been completely worth it. Journey was an incredible friend throughout the trip. He was always careful and constantly finding the best solutions for our journey. Vietnam welcomed us with sunshine, with the wind with warm smiles, and with the kindness of its people. His was not simply a trip. It was an experience that all of us will remember for a very long time. See you again, Vietnam, someday in the near future.
Well, there's a will, there's a way, kinda beautiful. And every night has its day, so magical. And if there's love in this life, there's no obstacle that can't be defeated. For every tyrant to tear for the vulnerable. In every loss, so the bones of a miracle. For every dreamer, a dream we're unstoppable. With something to believe in. Monday left me broken. Tuesday I was through with hoping. Wednesday my empty arms were open. Thursday waiting for love, waiting for love. Thank the stars it's Friday. I'm burning like a fire gone wild on Saturday. Guess I won't be coming to church on Sunday. I'll be waiting for love, waiting for love to come around.
Không phải quay chặt này. Ok. Almost. It's okay, it's okay.
Nước suối rồi.
Luôn hết nước rồi.
56 rồi.
Cùng nữa.